It starts with a serious alert tied to an armed carjacking, but within moments it escalates into a multi-unit pursuit. Suspects are desperate, switching vehicles and pushing their luck. What unfolds next is a high-risk chase where every decision could mean the difference between capture or catastrophe. This is where things spiral. The suspects ditch one stolen vehicle and jump into another, an aggressive move to evade tracking. But crashing head-on into police cruisers changes everything. At this point, officers are balancing control with chaos. Do you continue the pursuit or pull back before it turns deadly?
The two suspects fled in the stolen vehicle and then took another Hyundai in an attempt to escape. During the pursuit near Climb and Riverbend, they crashed head-on into police cruisers, damaging 4 patrol vehicles and underscoring the severity of the incident.
Now the stakes are even higher. The suspect is driving recklessly at extreme speeds, forcing officers to act fast. A pit maneuver is a calculated risk, but here it's executed with precision. One wrong angle and this could have ended in disaster. Would you have taken that shot to end the chase? Multiple pursuits, multiple outcomes, but one consistent factor: strategy and control. From coordinated responses to decisive takedowns, officers relied on timing and precision to bring each situation to a safe conclusion. If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more real, high-intensity chase analysis.